Hey everyone, are you seeing the message waiting for this message? This may take a while on Facebook Messenger. This usually happens because the sender's device is offline or the chat is end-to-end encrypted. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Let's begin. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Open another app or browser to confirm your internet is working properly. Solution 2. Make sure chat backup is enabled. Open your Messenger app. Tap the menu bar at the bottom right corner. Go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Tap on Message Storage. Make sure backup is turned on so messages can be restored across devices. Solution 3. Update Messenger app. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger. Tap Update if available. An outdated app might not sync encrypted messages properly. And that's it. The waiting for this message error usually resolves when both devices are online and using the same app version. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and comment below if it worked. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.